Bye. Hey, thank you. Appreciate it. Work in progress. Well, I'm about to head over to Josh, my very own car guru. The tow truck took the Mercedes over last night, and now I'm gonna go see how progress is, basically. And I made up a list. I'm worried, even someone as great as Josh, I'm just worried, call me a pessimist? No, not a pessimist. Call me suspicious, paranoid. I'm worried about leaving mechanics to their own devices just to do what they want. So I made a list that's expanded super long since my initial idea to do the belts. So here it is. Okay. To do long. Front suspension, of course. When the wheel falls off, you need to do that. Shocks, front brakes, and belts where we started out, etc. I think that's about it, actually. So I'm going to go over there now, see if he's gotten a chance to start up, and hand over my list. Say, stick to this, please.
What's going on is the axle bolt practically up.
Oh, and then from there, everything sort of.
Yep. It allows the wheel to want to articulate and.
Oh, well, cool. Well, I'm glad you found out. Did everything get bent when that happened, or is it? Can you push it back and put the bolt on?
I'll show you the tie rod end. The brake rotor got damaged a little bit.
Oh yeah.
That may clean up over time, or may improve, because what happened is it actually chafing against the mount here. But the I should say spindle, because they're not an axle there. The threads on the spindle are just fine though, so we'll get the new, there's a nut back on there. The wheel bearing looks okay, so I don't see any damage there.
Okay, cool.
This is where we do see the tie rod end is bent here.
Okay, that's so when it flops out.
Yep, it's bent pretty well. Good amount of force that caused that. That's
right?
Pretty bizarre. I mean, it's not a thin component. That's almost, that's a 1/2 inch or 9/16.
Yeah, that's
diameter.
A thick piece of steel there.
Yep.
Where was the bolt that came loose?
That was right here.
Oh, that was
the
there.
Axle retainer.
Oh,
the nut that came right that backed off.
Oh, there. All right.
Yeah, let me come over with you, because she gets a little bit better.
Oh, really?
So, just when she's on the leash, she does.
Oh, because we met before.
Once she meets, once she's...
Yeah, you're a cutie.
And look at that, she's...
Hi. Oh,
She welcomes you.
maybe she remembers. Last time she jumped up on me.
Yeah, I don't want her to jump up and ruin your pants.
Right, I wore the wrong pants today.
Yeah.
It's all right. I don't mind. I don't care if my pants get dirty from dogs. She's so cute.
No, she loves the attention.
Well, day 2 of Pearl hunts in the shop. I decided this car hasn't had a name, so I can give it a hard time. And Hans and Franz, who doesn't remember them? So Hans, you're going to cost me a bundle. Well, really, I forgot something in the trunk. That's why I stopped by. I love seeing Josh's dog. That was another reason. And he is working on it. I'm just worried. One thing leads to another. Money. It's a long list. And it's going to be expensive, probably more than the car. But anyway, you buy the cars like this cheap, that's what you gotta expect. So, anyway, can't wait to get Hans back. See what the damage is. All right.